A common question with Fisher-Price Sit Me Up floor seat is on Fisher-Price Sit Me Up cover replacement as well as Sit Me Up how to clean and wash. I show Fisher-Price Sit Me Up floor seat cover removal and put it back after washing step by step. And I start right now. Let's start Fisher-Price Sit Me Up floor seat cover removal by detaching the toys. The end of the seat pad is connected to the frame with 3 pegs. Pull the seat pad like this to release it. The top of the seat pad is attached to the seat ring. Release the 8 bottom holes on the seat pad from the pegs under the seat ring. The seat pad is released now. So how to wash Fisher-Price Sit Me Up floor seat? You can machine wash the seat pad in cold water and gentle cycle in low heat. Don't use bleach and do not iron the seat pad. Now I show you how to put on the Fisher-Price Sit Me Up cover after washing. Attach the end of the seat pad to the frame with these 3 pegs. Put the seat pad on the seat ring like this. Connect the top of the seat pad to the seat ring with the 8 bottoms hole on the seat pad to the pegs under the seat ring. Attach the toys like this. By the way, I have other videos on the disassembly and review of this Fisher-Price Sit Me Up floor seat if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.